care of the ball, play with good fundamentals now.
It's time, baby.
Let's dominate!
The trenches on 3. 1, 2, 3. From the first play to the last.
Dominate!
Good to see you, good, man.
Congrats again, my
Thank you, my brother.
Well done, good guys, man.
I know, you the man, baby.
Congrats.
Thanks, Coach.
Congrats again, yeah.
Dixon back on for the punt for the Giants. Chest high.
Oh, they got it!
Punish block.
Score!
Golden. Blocked it to Winovich, who catches. Runs into the end zone.
Yes!
Touchdown! Patriots!
Special teams score again!
Brady under center, a 4th and 1 from the 19 to give to Michelle. Runs it right. And Sonny Michelle with a dive. It is Giants ball. Brady stands in, pressure on the blind side. He's hit, ball is loose. It's going to be picked up by Golden at the 40. Touchdown, New York!
Don't be some adversity. Always is.
Right now! Let's go punch him right back! We can win this thing, but it's going to take everything we got and more now. I don't mind. I like our chance. Let's go.
Hey, law enforcement, that's all it is, boys.
James White trots into the backfield to join Brady, who gives him the touch feed.
Go!
White still on his feet, diving to the goal line, over a Giant defender. His quarterback stinks, Brady turns the legs, surging forward, he's in for a touchdown, New England. Patriots with a blitz, and a throw to the right, caught in the flat by Hillman, nowhere to go. Jamie Collins is there, ball came loose, picked up by Van Noy, to the 10, to the 5, diving to the pylon!
Touchdown!
He throws a long ball right for Edelman, who's open, dives at the 5, has the catch!
Unbelievable move by Edelman.
Brady takes the snap, he's going to sneak it off the left side, and Tom Brady, going over his left guard, has a touchdown, New England, his second of the night.
That's yours, you're on, man.
Hey, is this the highest number of rushing touchdowns?
2, I'll take it.
Good job out there.